Making your docking visible online with iDOCK. There are several concerned problems in the ship repair process. Lack of planning. Over budget. Out of control. Arising of unexpectations. Below we will use an example, MV Isabel, to illustrate how iDOCK brings us a convenient and visual experience. The entire repair process will be presented online in real time, from entry, inspection, commencement, docking, undocking, completion, sailing, and the others that we are concerned about. First of all, we will start from status. Here we can engage in details related to the project, such as asking questions, providing answers, liking, and more. For generator repair, we can see the entire progress. We can also use search plus tag marked, for example, selecting checking for status of repair and docking for type of repair. By such way we can easily locate the repair status of the items which we are concerned about. Repair specification is displayed hierarchically. Of course, it could be edited easily, and any modifications made will be reminded to another side in real time. Both parties can confirm the modifications or discuss them further.